Welcome back. You know what I've decided? I really don't want to look at the time. I'm way more interested in actually finding out what temperature it is in the room. Because the beauty of this particular unit with the programming is it also acts as a thermostat and sort of takes care of anything you need for thermostatic needs in that regard. There's a probe on the back that measures room temperature. So we're going to change it back. 3 seconds. Button number 6. Should be getting the hang of this by now. Again, language. You can actually go backwards too if I remember correctly, so we can start at the bottom, which is escape. That's getting out of there. Stove status, which I didn't mention before, tells you the status of the stove, which makes sense. Mode display, which is where we want to be. We're going to change that. Set button, button number 3. Hours displayed, no, we want to show temperature. Function enabled, and that was done by buttons 1 and 2. And the set button, so change your settings, set it when you're done. Okay, so first 2 buttons, change your settings, set button. It'll kick out automatically too if you're not impatient. It's in Celsius. Who uses Celsius? Nobody uses Celsius. Let's change that. So how are you going to set the unit of measurement? Back into programming. Hold the button number 6 down, about 3 seconds. We'll scroll down this time. We'll use buttons 5 and 6 to do it. Select language, unit of measurement. Well, that's what we want to change. We really don't want that pesky Celsius. We're looking for Fahrenheit because I'm kind of curious how warm it is in here. So we want to change that. Button number 3, that's a set button. Celsius, let's get rid of that. Up and down, your buttons 1 and 2, which are going to change settings. Fahrenheit, darn straight. Set, because we're done with that. Function enabled. It'll scroll for a minute, and it should annoy me by not kicking out. Ah, there we are, 72 degrees. It's perfect room temperature. And that is how you change it to an actual unit of measurement you might want to see in your house. Oh, 73.